Welcome, here I've got Fairphone 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to focus on the general category. At the first position here we have store location option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can easily turn off the location tags or turn them on as we need. And the important thing here is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to remember to turn on the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.